We are in technical department of WIP company. It is here where your order for implementation and installation of InnerWeb goes. There are several important information that you should know. InnerWeb was created by our team that perfectly knows your needs and the environment in which it's supposed to operate. This knowledge allowed us to create the main core of the software based on eWork permit system and work monitoring. If you decide to install InnerWeb, we are able to process your order within a few weeks. The installation process is divided into the several stages. First, we start with the visit to you. We can then determine the size of an InnerWeb installation, sign a confidentiality agreement, and present how it works. We have appropriate program that can determine the costs of the installation even in the day of the visit. After receiving an order, we need to prepare materials for the installation. The assembly process of InnerWeb takes from several to several dozens business days. During this period, the system is configured with the database of users that will use the system. The last element of installation is conducting trainings for various groups of employees. These trainings are carried out on a date set by you after the installation and implementation process has been completed. During this period, you receive the support from us, whose task is to make sure that the new work culture has become a habit. We want employees to see the convenience and possibilities that new functions give them. In the entire InnerWeb installation and implementation process, we also provide you with the legal assistance in the field of personal data protection of your employees, necessary annexes to the work contract, and annexes to confidentiality agreement between you and external companies. InnerWeb is a pioneering installation that we want to co-create with you. The process of creating new functions and changes can take many weeks or even months. It is very expensive. By using the ready solution now, you minimize expenses. As we are here, I will show you the visualization department. This way, please.